All right, geometry. We're gonna look at this assignment 3.4 that is posted today. And what I'm gonna do is let's just do number 2 together, just so you can see what I'm expecting there. So if you want to leave a little space for number 1, I would just like to show you number 2. Okay, it says using a protractor, draw a triangle ABC and DEF. Then it gives you all this information. AB is 5. BC is 3, and angle B is 30 degrees. And then it gives you some information about the other triangle, which is similar. And you're supposed to draw these out accurately with a protractor and a ruler. Angle E is 30. So you see they kind of match up. You know, you got matching pieces, but draw both triangles out. So I need a 5. I'll start there. That's going to be AB. BC is 3, and then angle B is 30. Let's do angle B next. I think that would be logical. 30 degrees, so it can be like there. And now I can do BC is 3 centimeters. Oops, sorry, you can't see this. Okay, so you get this here, and then you just say, okay, that's C. So the triangle looks like this. This was 3. Okay, so you got that scenario. Then you do the same thing over here and make this other triangle DEF. Do the 30. And I'm going to measure out for EF. I'm going to go 3 centimeters out. Okay, so I get the second triangle. So you got to make these 2 triangles that kind of have similar pieces. And then the question is, after that, are they congruent? Are these triangles congruent? Okay, looking at them, just kind of saying, well, you could kind of measure these other sides. Congruent would mean all their sides and angles are the same. So that looks like basically 3 and 3 and 3. So these look like they match up. You could measure the angles. This looks like it's pretty much another 30 degrees and another 30 over here. So it's looking like, you know, these triangles are congruent. Okay, so I would say yes. The other question is, would it be possible to draw them not congruent? Okay, would, you know, given those same measurements, would it be possible to draw them not congruent? Well, you could have maybe said, well, what if the 3 had, or 30 degrees had gone down here, and maybe it looked like this? Well, it just would have been flipped over. It still would have been congruent. So you could try drawing it out other ways. Or maybe what if I put the 3 over here? But in the end, for this one, the answer is no. They would have to be congruent in this case. Okay, if you just kind of think about it, these 2 triangles are going to have to come out the same. Okay, so give your best answer there. If you're not sure, just give your best answer. Mostly I'm going to grade you on if you drew them out correctly. And there's one out of these where the answer is where you could, out of these 5, I'll just give you a hint that there's one where you could draw them. Actually, there's 2 where you could draw them and make them not congruent. So see if you can figure out what 2 it is there. Okay, but that's your assignment today, is just to do those 5 drawings. Have a good day, guys.